How to convert Facebook profile to page. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on three lines, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on your name at the top. It will lead you to your profile. Press on three dots beside Edit Profile. Then, click on Turn on Professional Mode. After you click on it, press on Turn On. It will turn on Professional Mode. Press on Next at the bottom. Press Next again. Select if you want to choose your audience public or friends, then press on Next. Review selection, and if you're done, press on Confirm. And then you're good to go. If you go back to your profile, you'll find followers and following option, which means your Facebook profile has been converted to page. This is how to convert Facebook profile to page. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.